Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix failed to connect to the game ID 17 in Roblox. First of all, open up a command line in your Windows, make sure that it's open as administrator, and then type in ipconfig//dns. This is going to be our first command. After that, type in net sh winsock reset, and then press enter. This is going to be our first step. Okay, after that, go into your control panel, go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, press on Ethernet or whatever the name is going to be for you right over here. Now go to Properties. Now Internet Protocol version 4 and Properties. And now in here in the bottom, press on Use the following DNS server. And here you just want to type in 1, 1, 1 and 1, and in the bottom row it's 1, 0, 0 and 1. And then just press OK and close this window. And now after performing these steps, just basically restart your system and everything will be done. This should fix your issues. Thank you guys for watching. Comment in the comment section if this helped, press the like button, and I will see you in the next one.